All right, Home Service Mastery, Truck Mount Forums, Cleaners Connect, and any other group that I post this in, YouTube, Facebook. Guys, really quickly, for anyone in the home service industry, guys, I have struggled for a very long time with staying organized. I know it's very hard sometimes, but the back end of business, as many of you know, is one of the most important assets of your business, is making sure that you're organized. This is one way that I found to be very helpful. I ordered this whiteboard on Amazon. I believe it was $80, guys. Real simple setup. It's a double-sided. So on this side, guys, I have it broken down, and apologize, my handwriting is not the best, but guys, having a to-do list organized with things that you need to do, you know, things I have like new tires and oil change, flooring for an installation job that we have coming in, clean van, I need to edit a few videos. Follow-ups, guys, I can't tell you how many times, and I know a lot of people, a follow-up is very important. And when you tell somebody, as you tell a client, you're going to follow up with them on Monday or Tuesday, and it's very easy to kind of get lost and not be able to remember, well, what client did I say was going to call back on what day? So guys, having it broke down like this with the name and what day you said you were going to call them back helps you to stay organized, and it also lets the client know that you're going to be touching base and you're going to follow up and you do what you're going to say that you're going to do. So if you tell them you're going to follow up on Monday or Tuesday, guys, write it down, make sure that you see it, get a visual of it so you don't forget. Right down here, guys, I have a 2-week outlook where I take on my CRM. I will print out for the next 2 weeks what jobs we're going to be having coming up. And guys, in the details of that, I will have things listed such as material and supplies that I need. I'll have it highlighted. Have I ordered it? Have I not ordered it? So that way it keeps me on track, making sure that you always have the correct amount of material and supply on your job, on your van, and you're not having to wait last second or order it last second and pay those shipping prices. Ask me how I know. Guys, I've done it many times. And then down here, I may have a material section on what I need to order, such as a trowel, some wood filler, 3 1/4 inch white oak, whatever it may be, will be on this side, guys. And then on the flip side of this, I can put a Monday through Friday a chart or a breakdown on what specific jobs I have, so that way I know what's coming up for the week. And on Sunday, I can sit down and make sure that I have everything that I need for my jobs coming up, make sure that the van is loaded and the van is ready. Anyway, guys, I hope this video helped you. Stay tuned to Home Service Mastery on YouTube, guys. You can follow us on YouTube, or you can follow us on Facebook and join our community of like-minded individuals. Home Service Mastery, guys, send a friend request. Look for it on Facebook. We'd be happy to have you join this community of home service-based industry leaders and continue to grow and succeed at the highest levels. As always, I'll see you in the next one.